Keeping your Knoxville home comfortable shouldn't mean overworking your heating and cooling system or watching your energy bills climb month after month. For many families, old or poorly insulated windows are one of the biggest, and most overlooked, reasons energy costs rise. Replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient options can make an immediate and long-lasting difference in your home's comfort, efficiency, and monthly expenses. Why old windows waste energy? Knoxville experiences hot, humid summers and cool winters, making temperature control a year-round priority. Unfortunately, older windows often work against your home's insulation rather than helping it. Common issues include drafts and air leaks that let outside temperatures enter your home's single-pane glass that provides little defense against heat transfer, warped frames that no longer seal properly, worn-out weather stripping that fails to block air infiltration when conditioned air escapes through your windows. Your HVAC system has to run longer and harder to maintain a steady temperature. That extra work adds up quickly on your energy bill. How new windows improve efficiency? Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient models gives Knoxville homeowners several key advantages that directly affect their utility costs. Better insulation and temperature control. Energy-efficient windows use advanced technologies, such as double or triple panes, insulating gas fills, and low emissivity coatings, to significantly reduce heat transfer. In summer, these features help keep heat out. In winter, they keep your warm air in. With more stable indoor temperatures, your HVAC system can maintain comfort with less effort. Reduced air leakage. New windows come with strong seals, durable weather stripping, and frames designed for a snug fit. This eliminates drafts, which are one of the biggest contributors to energy loss in older homes. Less air leakage means your home stays comfortable without constant thermostat adjustments. Lower HVAC usage and longer system life. When your heating and cooling equipment doesn't have to work as hard, it naturally uses less energy. Over time, this reduced strain can also extend the lifespan of your HVAC system, saving you even more money by preventing premature repairs or replacements. Energy savings. Knoxville families can expect many Knoxville homeowners notice savings as soon as their new windows are installed. While exact results depend on factors like home size and window selection, families often experience lower monthly heating and cooling bills, fewer indoor temperature swings, a reduced need for space heaters or additional fans, more efficient year-round comfort because Knoxville's climate ranges from chilly winter nights to warm summer days. The impact of improved insulation is noticeable across all seasons. More than just lower bills. Added benefits for your home. While saving money is a major reason to upgrade your windows, replacement also offers several added benefits that Knoxville families appreciate. Better indoor comfort with fewer hot or cold spots, increased home value thanks to modern, efficient upgrades, enhanced curb appeal with updated styles and colors, improved noise reduction, especially near busy streets, better UV protection that prevents fading of furniture, carpet, and hardwood floors. These advantages make window replacement a practical investment for both short-term comfort and long-term home value. Choosing the right windows for Knoxville's climate. To maximize your energy savings, it's important to choose windows designed for the region's weather patterns. Look for features such as double or triple panes, argon gas fills, low-E coatings, and well-insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. Working with a trusted local window company ensures your installation is done correctly, which is essential for long-term energy performance. A smart investment for Knoxville families. If you've noticed higher energy bills, uncomfortable drafts, or windows that simply look worn out, replacement may be the solution. New energy-efficient windows help Knoxville families enjoy lower monthly costs, better comfort, and a healthier home environment. With the right upgrades, your home can stay comfortable in every season, without wasting energy or money.